Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail cream. Start by chilling a metal bowl in beaters, then measure 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Whip until soft peaks form, fold in optional liqueur or citrus zest for brightness, taste, and adjust sweetness. Chill briefly before serving to keep a light, airy texture and prevent over-softening while you prepare glasses and garnishes. Warm tip: work with cold cream and chilled equipment to get stable peaks quickly. Begin whipping on medium until frothy, then increase speed to reach soft peaks that hold shape but remain silky. Gently fold in liqueur, vanilla, or citrus zest using a spatula, taking care not to deflate the mixture. Always taste and add sugar or flavoring gradually so you achieve balanced sweetness without overpowering the cream. Serve cocktail cream in chilled glasses or atop desserts for an elegant finish. Pipe with a star tip or spoon it for a rustic look, then garnish with grated chocolate, citrus zest, or a sprinkle of spice. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours, and if it loosens, re-whip briefly on low speed to bring back some volume before plating for guests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.